What's up people, this is Gaurav. Before starting this one, I just want to tell that some of you may think this tutorial is very easy and I know how to do it. Well, you may already know it, but there are also people who are just starting out with Premiere Pro. So for them, some simple things are also very hard to do. So without any ado, let's start today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how you can achieve these black bars. And not just that, I will also teach you how you can animate them so that you can give different styles to your video. Alright, let's start and let's move to Premiere Pro. Hello friends, so today I am going to teach you how you can achieve these black bars that you can see on the video and how you can animate them. By animate, what I mean is how you can make it like this, or say you want to start a video with black screen and then achieve the cinematic bars. So how you can make something like this and how you can end the video like this. So today I am going to teach you how you can achieve this. So let's start. Before starting, let me just delete this and let's start. So here you can see a sample footage that I took, and you can see this is a transition that I have already made a tutorial of. So let's start. So let me just clear this. Okay, first of all, you need to make an adjustment layer. For that, we will need to right click here and go new item, adjustment layer, and press OK. Now that we have the adjustment layer, we'll pull it here and stretch it. Okay, now we will import the effect crop. You will find it inside transform. You can just type crop here and just pull it and drop it here. Now you can see we have our effect crop. The effect is very simple. Now we just need to click here and go here and just click 15 for top and 15 for bottom. See, it's that simple. We have just achieved the cinematic bars. Okay, now let's move on to animating them. So we have this footage and we want to make it start with a black screen and then we want to reveal the footage. So for that, we need to make keyframes and animate them. We will select the layer and we will make keyframes here by clicking this button and this button in the top and bottom. Now we will go 30 frames right, shift right. Here we are 30 frames forward. Now we will make another keyframe here and another keyframe for the top as well. We will make it 15. So this is already 15 because we want them to stop at this position, but we want them to start with full black screen. So we'll go at the very beginning and click here and make it 50. You can see it has covered half of the screen, and we will click 50 here as well, and your effect is done. Now if I press play, you can see it's done. We can make it easy and smooth by selecting the keyframes and pressing here ease in, and we will select them and click ease out. So now it's a little bit more smoother. Okay, now moving on to closing them with the same effect. So it started with black screen and now we want it to close in black screen as well. So we will go at the very last and make keyframes here as well. You can see I have made keyframes and I will go 30 frames left, shift left, and we will make keyframes here. We will click here and click here. So this is at the right position only because we want it to go from here to black screen. So here it will be 15, and at the very end we will make 50 and we will click here also 50. Now if I press play, you can see it will close in black screen. See, it closed in black screen. But if you think it's very fast, we can just simply select the keyframes and just make the distance more longer so that it will be even more smoother. So if I press play now, see, since I have made it slower, it looks more smooth. So you should adjust them manually according to your audio and the clip. So let's move to the last effect. Suppose I want to start the film in total full screen and then introduce the black bars. For that, what I am going to do is, let me just delete this. Okay, so this here is in full screen. Let me import the crop effect. So for this last effect, we don't want any cinematic bars at the very beginning, so we will keep it 0. Let me first make keyframes. We will select here and select here, and we will keep it 0 because at the very beginning we don't want anything. Now I will move forward 30 frames. I will press shift and right. So here I'm 30 frames forward, and I will make another keyframe for both of them, and I will press 15 and 15. So it started with 0 and ended with 15. So now if I play, you can see it's that simple. And we will make it smooth by selecting the keyframes, and we will click ease in and ease out. And if I want to make it even more smoother, I will just select this and make the duration longer. You can see now. See, it looks very good. Alright, so that's it for today's effect. But before going, I also want to tell you that you should also always keep in mind in which track is your crop layer. So if you put anything below this adjustment layer, it will get cropped. So let me bring my watermark. Now as you can see, it got cropped because the adjustment layer is above it. So now if I want to make it an overlay, say I want to put this logo here at the corner, you can see that it got cropped because the adjustment layer is above this layer. So what I want to do is I will select this layer and keep it above it. Now you can see it's visible. So you always have to keep in mind in which track is your adjustment layer, that is the crop layer. Okay, that's it for today. So that's it for today, guys. That's how you achieve cinematic bars. Also, let me know in the comment section how it was, and if you have anything in your mind, then please share it in the comment section. And as I always say, stay creative, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.